Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video we will learn how to download and install Git on Windows 11 operating system. Git is the most popular distributed version control system. It is free and open source as well. So Git installation is very simple. First go to the browser and type Git. Here you can see the Git official website git-scm.com. Click on that. Now you can see the latest Git version for Windows download link. Download for Windows, click on this. Now click on this, click here to download the latest 64-bit version of Git for Windows. You can see some other standalone installer download links. These two links, but we are going to click this one. This will start the Git download. It's about 65 MB. Please wait so that the download is complete. So the download is complete. Click on the downloaded file, which is the Git executable installer. Double click on the file. It will ask you for a confirmation. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Give yes. This will start the Git setup installation setup window. Here you can see the license terms. Click next. This is the default location where Git will be installed. If you don't have any specific reason, keep it as default. Click next. Select components. If you need, you can check additional icons on the desktop. Click next. You can give a start menu folder. Can keep it as default. Next. So choosing the default editor used by Git. Use Notepad as Git's default editor. There are also a number of other editors that we can select, but for now we will keep Notepad as Git's default editor. You can choose any editor installed in your system. So I have selected Notepad as Git's default editor. Next. So adjusting the name of the initial branch in the new repositories, let's choose let git decide. So if you read this, the default branch name will be master. We can keep it as it is. Next. Click next, which is recommended. Get from command line and also third-party software. Next. Next. You can keep it as default. Use OpenSSL library. Click next. Check out Windows style, commit unique style, line endings. Next. Next. Choose default behavior of git pull. We can keep it as fast forward or merge. Next. Click install. So the installation has started. So the installation is complete. Click finish. Now we can verify the Git installation. For that, open command prompt. type command git ---- version, which will show the git version installed as 2.47.1, which means git installation is successful on our machine. You can also just type git. So here is the result. If you see a result like this, that means git installation was successful on our machine. So that's all about git installation on a Windows operating system. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.